So, hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So, in today's vlog, I am going to do a quick review from this Asahi Collagen Powder. So, this one is a non-marine, or this is not made of fish. And based on my research, this is made from bovine cow collagen. So, I did a quick research, but before anything else, this is not a sponsored video. Gusto ko lang i-share kasi ito bago itapon. So as you can see, this is made in Japan and wala siyang English translation, kaya I need to make my own research. So based dito, this is 5,300 mg collagen, made of collagen, but this is made from the bovine or made of cow. Saglit lang guys, kasi I took a picture and then hindi na rin natin to i-edit dahil kailangan kong mag-upload. Last upload ko as of today is May 20. So my last upload was 12 days ago, pero baka ma-upload ko to ng late na, kaya medyo meron ako natitirang energy, kaya sabi ko bago ko to itapon, hindi ko talaga siya tinapon, kaya sabi ko I will have a quick review since naubos ko naman na tong one pouch na to. So yun na nga guys, back to our topic. And disclaimer lang, this is not a sponsored video. Nabili ko kasi to dun sa kaibigan kong or coworker ko na buntis, and dahil nga kapapanganak niya lang, sabi niya ibibenta niya muna yun, tsaka na lang siya magka-collagen ulit. So yan, ito nga yung ingredients ni Asahi Perfect Asta Collagen. Well, actually there's another kind from this variant. Merong premium pero hindi natin yun binili kasi ito lang yung available dun sa friend ko. And this is made in Japan, o binili talaga nung colleague ko sa Japan kasi yung ate niya yata ang asawa is Japanese. So yun, huwag na tayo magpaligoy-ligoy pa. And this Asahi Collagen Powder, sorry sa dumadaan na aeroplano, it is contain of 5,300 milligrams of collagen peptide. So made of bovine collagen from cow, and it has 100 mg vitamin C. Meron na rin siyang 30 mg of hyaluronic acid, and it has coenzyme which is 5 mg lang, and then meron siyang elastin which is 1 mg, and other stuff such as fiber, acidulous, and mixed herbs. And based dun sa experience ko, minimix ko siya sa kape ko and then sa milk. Sometimes kasi nagmi-milk ako bago matulog. So far, ang bilis niyang ma-dissolve. I mean, yung texture ng powder niya is very lightweight. And wala siyang ganong amoy. Unlike yung other brand, di ko na mention. Amoy kalawang. And then, meron ding aftertaste, parang lasang kalawang. Yun naman ang usually na authentic, lasa ng collagen. And what are the benefits of collagen? Kasi there are different types of collagen. So si collagen kasi, nung napansin ko, nung nag-collagen ako, ang bilis tumubo ng buhok ko. And syempre, it also supports our bones, yung mga buto-buto natin. Tsaka, medyo, wala naman siyang kasi, overdose, dahil nga, habang tumatanda tayo, yung collagen natin sa katawan, collagen also it's a kind of protein. Bumababa yung collagen natin from our body. And ito nga palang si Asahi Collagen, Asta Collagen, it doesn't have amino acid. So, yun lang yung nabasa ko sa research, based on the research. So far, wala naman akong naging bad experience with this brand. Kung makikita ko siya via online sa Lazada or Shopee, most probably I'll gonna buy again pag nagka-budget tayo. Pero syempre bibili tayo kapag sulit sweldo sale. So yun, sumegway ako. What I mean is okay naman itong brand na to. Wala naman siyang aftertaste, or I think wala siyang, hindi naman ako nagtae or whatsoever. Nagtumabingi pala yung camera. So guys, my final verdict is okay si Asahi. Kasi there are different kinds of, ang daming mga made in Japan na collagen drinks. Like si THC, si Meiji, ito nga si Asahi. And then meron pa may I think may Shiseido pa yata. So, ayun, medyo may kamahalan nga lang yung collagen. But guys, collagen is very, very good when it comes to anti-aging. And if you really, you want, parang kasi hinahanap-hanap siya ng katawan ko pagka minsan yung, di ba nilang wala akong makain. Basta may collagen ako na supply. Hindi ako nawawalan ng Mosview, and ayoko nang nai-stress kasi parang pag nai-stress ako, pumapangit ako guys. And I'm getting older na. Next month I'll be completing my 44 years of my life existence. Tama ba yung English ko? So yun, umaba na yung ating usapan. You can mix this with your coffee, with your favorite drinks, juice. Pero syempre, hindi ko siya kayang inumin na beer lang with water. So, yun lang ang kagandahan nitong brand na to. And, I'm not so sure if meron siyang fake na collagen. Kasi, this is made in Japan. Hindi naman siya Korean brand or whatsoever. And, pag bibili nga pala kayo ng mga collagen, I highly suggest yung mga brands na made in Japan. Even when it comes to tablet, guys. Alam ko na marami na naglalabasan ng collagen in the market, but the best pa rin yung mga Japan brands. Kasi sila yung mga talaga, yung mga legit and authentic, kumaga parang distributor or nagpo-produce ng collagen. So, paulit-ulit na lang ako, guys. I think that's it for today's vlog. Thank you for still watching my vlog. Alam ko kumukonti na yung mga viewers ko, but I'm trying my best, my very best to do a quality vlog. Pero this is one of my raw vlogs. Wala na itong edit, i-upload ko na lang, and I just share from the best of my ability, from my honesty. Yun yung aking na-experience with this brand. So, I think that's it for today's, guys, kasi meron ng aeroplano na naman. I have to close this vlog. Thank you for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and see you on my future vlogs. Bye, guys!